Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the US presidential inauguration, UK Prime Minister May's speech on Brexit, the ECB and Bank of Canada meetings, and Fed Chair Yellen's upcoming talks. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my Week in Focus report. Buy the rumor, sell the fact is an old adage in the financial markets. The expectations of massive fiscal stimulus by the incoming administration gave rise to Trump trades that pushed U.S. rates, U.S. stocks, and the dollar higher. Now this Friday, expectations segue into reality as President-elect Trump takes office. We could see the dollar relatively soft this week, at least until the inauguration. Now, before Christmas, UK Prime Minister May promised that she'd make a speech on Brexit in the new year. She'll keep that speech on Tuesday. The Sunday Times reported that she'd outline a hard Brexit approach, severing most of the country's special relationship with the EU in order to regain control over immigration. This caused the pound to fall in Asian trading on Monday. We could see the pound fall a bit more after her speech, but now the news is pretty much in the market. The big surprise would be if she's less rigid than expected. Coupled with Bank of England Governor Carney's speech today, UK inflation data on Tuesday, employment data on Wednesday, and retail sales on Friday, it's clear that the pound will remain in focus throughout the week. The ECB meeting on Thursday isn't expected to result in a change in policy. However, the minutes of the December meeting showed that the hawks on the council are digging in their heels. Although, do hawks have heels? Well, anyway, digging in their talons. Given the big acceleration in Eurozone inflation in December, there could be a more hawkish tone to this statement and to ECB President Draghi's comments following the meeting. That could support the euro. There's little debate about the result of the Bank of Canada meeting on Wednesday. Rates are likely to remain stable. There have been many signs that the Canadian economy is stronger than the Bank of Canada had expected it to be by now, but at the same time, inflation is still well below their target range. That's why I expect Governor Poloz to keep rates stable while emphasizing the soft inflation and the uncertainty in the U.S. That suggests the Canadian dollar could weaken somewhat after the meeting. There are a number of Fed speakers this week, including 2 appearances by Fed Chair Yellen, Wednesday and Friday. The market will be looking for some clarification of the FOMC minutes and, in particular, the debate over what impact fiscal policy might have on the Fed's thinking this year. Monday, today, is a holiday in the U.S. There are a large number of U.S. indicators coming out during the rest of the week, but I think that politics rather than economics are likely to dominate the dollar outlook this week. The focus in Europe will be on Germany's ZEW index on Tuesday. It's expected to show further improvement, which could support the euro. Finally, China announces its fourth quarter GDP figure and industrial production, retail sales, and fixed asset investment on Friday. As usual, little if any change from the previous figure is expected. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.